Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with 7 foods you should absolutely avoid and not eat on a ketogenic diet when you're on the road to ketosis. Number 1, avoid or limit any food high in carbohydrates. Avoid all grains and starches. These include whole grains, wheat, bread, flour, starchy pastas plus white rice as well as brown rice, granola cereal, and of course granola bars and corn. This avoidance includes all grains, even the super healthy grains like millet, buckwheat, oats, and quinoa are all too high to keep you in ketosis. Sugar and sugary foods and sweeteners must be avoided while you are in ketosis. Why? Because when sugars enter the body, it quickly breaks down to glucose in the blood, and you will immediately be kicked out of ketosis since the body will begin to burn carbohydrates again for energy instead of fats. The fruit culprits are sugary carbonated soda, sweetened fruit juices, purchased or homemade smoothies, cakes and sugary desserts, decadent ice cream, high fructose corn syrup and maple syrup, honey, agave, and sugary candy. Number 2, beans and legumes are so healthy for the body, but are they keto friendly? No, they're not. That's because they're high in starch and carbs. Avoid beans and legumes to stay in ketosis. This includes kidney beans, chickpeas, black beans, lentils, green peas, pinto beans, white beans, and black-eyed peas. Number 3, fruits are healthy, right? Unfortunately, fruits in general are not keto-friendly. Fruits are high in sugar and carbs, putting them front and center on the do not eat list, which includes tropical fruits, those delicious dried fruits, and fruit smoothies. The good news is that the exceptions are berries such as blackberries and sweet raspberries are keto friendly, as well as avocados and olives, which are less obvious fruits. Okay, here's the list of fruits to avoid on a keto diet. Bananas, pineapples, crisp apples, oranges, grapes, mangoes, tangerines, all fruit juices, and dried fruits. Number 4, vegetables are a healthy addition to any diet, but unfortunately many veggies are not keto friendly, again, because they contain a high level of carbohydrates and must be avoided for you to remain in ketosis. An easy way to understand the keto vegetable restriction is if the vegetable grows underground, root vegetables, it's not keto friendly and should be avoided. The list of vegetables you need to avoid include potatoes, sweet potatoes, yams, carrots, parsnip, peas, yucca, also known as cassava, corn on the cob, corn, and cherry tomatoes. Number 5, let's take a look at the dairy products to avoid. Highly processed low-fat dairy products have sugar added to them to make up for the flavor. When shopping in the supermarket, select the whole fat options to load up on fats because low-fat choices are carbohydrate heavy. Here's the list of dairy products to avoid. Milk, shredded cheese, fat-free butter substitutes, low-fat cream cheese, evaporated skim milk, low-fat whipped topping, and fat-free low-fat yogurts. Coconut oil, virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and macadamia nut oils should be part of your keto diet menu. However, you should avoid harmful processed vegetable oils and mayonnaise totally. A complete list of fats to avoid include unhealthy oils, soybean oil, peanut oil, canola oil, sesame oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and safflower oil. Proteins to avoid include low-quality proteins such as processed luncheon meats, frozen patties, and hot dogs. When selecting protein powders, read the label to find a low-carb, low-sugar protein powder. When it comes to alcoholic drinks, they are usually high in sugar and carbs, which is not keto friendly. But here are some alcoholic drinks that are low in carbs and can be consumed once in a while on keto. Pure spirits like whiskey, brandy, cognac, vodka, and tequila are all zero carbs and keto friendly. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you find this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, post a sharing comment so I can have your opinion and feedback, share with your friends and family, and repost on your social media accounts. Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness posts videos 2 to 3 times a week, so please don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll know when future videos are posted. Here are some additional video suggestions you may like from my channel. You may want to check out Top 10 Keto Recipes for Beginners. Just click on the video here to play now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.